Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Yes Oh Yas subscription makeup box. If you would like to see a review and what I got this month, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have subscribed to Yes Oh Yas subscription box. It's a makeup subscription where you can get 3 to 7 makeup items, full makeup items in a box. It's just like BossyCharm, Ipsy, and I think it's Birchbox. It's just like those. You just get like makeup items, high-end makeup items. It depends on the month, just like BossyCharm. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got this month, and I'm gonna do swatches as well. So let's get started. So it comes in a package like this, and let me just open it and show you guys what I got this month. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Marbella lip. This is a lip definer. It looks like this. And let me just open it. This reminds me so much of BossyCharm, and you know you guys, I love me some BossyCharm. You know I love BossyCharm. So it looks like this. Let me see if it tells you what color I am in. Okay, it don't say the shade on it, but it looks like this. And okay, it's like a purple color. Let me just swatch it here for you guys. Oh, this is a pretty color. You know, I got a lipstick from BossyCharm this color. Looks like this. So that's good that I got the pencil now. So it looks like that. Really, really nice. Okay. So this is the lip definer. The next thing I got, which, okay, well I already got this from BossyCharm, but that's good that you can see that it's like a lot of comparison with these with this as well. This is the Uphill lip gloss. I got this already in my BossyCharm box. I forgot what month. Okay, hold on, let me try to open it so I can like swatch it for you guys. Matter of fact, I'm wearing it right now with this lipstick. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh wow. That's good that I have two now. So it's just like this glittery, but it don't feel glittery at all. Just shiny, metallic lip gloss. So you guys can see that. So that's the second thing I got. So you can get 3 to 7 full items. And then, okay, so the next thing I got is this makeup palette. It's from Beauty Creations. It's called Seduce Me. It looks like this, which is very nice as well. Let me take it out this. Okay, here we go. I can't do nothing with my nose on. So it looks like this, you guys, which is very nice. And this all the shadows, which are very nice. I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. I'm gonna swatch the first row, which is this color right here. It says safe word. Oh wow, you can tell already that it's very pigmented. Wow, look at that. Oh wow, that's very nice. Second one is Fail. Okay, swatch it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pigmented. So the next one is called Dirty Talk. I like that. It looks like this, which is very nice as well. I don't know what's going on with my hair right now. The next one is Fantasy, which is, I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys, but this is right here. This is a pretty shade right here. Very pretty, I love that. Just right here. As you can see, this is very pigmented. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. And then the next one is Climax. That's why the box is called Seduce Me, huh? That's Climax. It's so pretty. The next one is Bite Me. Ooh. I love the names. So cute. That's Bite Me. And then the next one is 50 Shades. 50 Shades of Grey. Like that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh, and this, I'm sorry, the next one is Submissive. I'm sorry I'm not showing you the colors because I'm so excited, you guys. So now it's time to bust it out like that. Hopefully. Okay, this is Submissive because I'm running out of room on my arm. I'll put it on this arm now. Next one is Inner Goddess. These are beautiful colors. The next one is Obey. So pretty. The next one is Favors. Oh my gosh, tell me if this is not pigmented. Pillow Talk, which is my favorite song. And the next one is Explicit, which is like a purple. It's like a dark blue, to be honest. Just like that. The next one is Rescue. And Romance is the next one. Tell me if these colors are not pretty. Next one is Sensational. Oh my gosh, I am definitely going to be using that. The next one is Amore. So pretty. And the next one is Intimate. I think it's just black. So guys, look at that. So pretty and so pigmented. To be honest, I'm very surprised. I did not know this was going to be pigmented like this. I will be doing a look on this, so stay tuned for that. And the next thing is from Lyrixy Cosmetics. It is a DuPont. Okay, it's called Halo. I guess it's okay. It's an illuminator. Looks like this. Wait, let me show you with the package. I'm sorry. It looks like this. And then when you open it, it looks like that. Okay, well, you know, because I love doing swatches. Basically, it's like a highlighter, you guys. Oh, wow. Okay, let me do that again. It's right here. I'm putting it right there. Tell me if that's not pretty. I want to rub it in, so. I'm sorry. I can't, you know, my nails, like, is in the way, so I'm going to do it right here. So pretty. So it's right here, you guys. I hope you guys can see that. And it's right here. That's very pretty. So that's the next thing. I think, is that all? Or I got something else in here. No, I do. I got one more thing. Is a Detox Diva Mask. It exfoliates and detoxify. I got that. That is the last thing I got in here. I am really excited, you guys, because not only that you get all of this stuff, but it's cheaper than BoxyCharm. It's $13.99 a month, and BoxyCharm is like $21 a month, which is not bad at all, because I still love me some BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm, but as you can see, for $13.99 a month, you get all these things. Some things are high-end and some things are not, but oh my gosh, as you can see, this palette was so pigmented. You get a lot of things for your money, so I'm happy that I have found them. And oh my gosh, so I will be doing a look on this, you guys, in my next video, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are interested and would like to get 10% off, I will leave the code down below and also the link down below. So just click on the link and put in the code and you get 10% off your first box. And I'm so excited because oh my gosh, as you can see, I think, okay, the thing that I'm in love with right now is this palette. Like, oh my gosh, I did not know it was gonna be this pigmented. I can't wait to use this. So definitely in my next video, I will be doing look on this palette. I might use the lipstick, I don't know. I mean, this lip liner, I don't know yet. But I love this gloss. I already got it from BoxyCharm and it's really good. And yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. Like I said, if you guys are interested and want 10% off your first box, I'll leave the link and the code down below. So check in my description box. Yeah, you guys, so that will be it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.